Hello and welcome to another tech tip video. Today I want to talk about updating templates. Now, we may have templates from 2006, such as this one right here, and just because it's saved in a version, this is SOLIDWORKS 2020, doesn't mean the template or the architecture or the foundation of the template is updated. So the foundation of the templates needs to be updated every 3 years or so. Sometimes we'll see compatibility issues, such as odd behavior when trying to do certain features, since the architecture is so different from 2020 versus 2006. Now, how I know this is from 2006 is I'll pick one of these planes, right-click, hit Properties, and I'll see it was created in 2006. And even though this is saved and updated in 2020, it doesn't mean the foundation or the base programming is in 2020. And it doesn't have to be a template from 2006 per se. We can see issues from templates being as much as 4 years older than the version they're using. So to make new templates that are up to date, we'd first have to find where your templates are stored. This would be in your system option, so this gear icon up here. File locations. The show folders for should be in document templates. And here I have it pointing to SOLIDWORKS 2020 and all that fun stuff. So if you don't know where your default templates are, we're going to delete those folders and click add. And here we're going to want to point this to a location where we know there's no templates, such as your desktop. I'm just going to name this templates 2020. Select folder and OK. Click yes. Okay, now if we go to that location, we'll notice that this folder is empty. But once we make or call for new templates, SOLIDWORKS 2020 will generate new templates. We'll click OK. And if we go back to that location, we'll notice that there'll be a part, assembly, and drawing templates that are up to date